Being an IT head, I take care of the complete technology part in IMA. And the main key roles and responsibility is to align the business models and business services with the technology. And the key objective is to enable technology in achieving business goals with maximum customer satisfaction. I take care of IT operations, IT infrastructure services, IT services delivery, projects planning, execution, then IT risk, IT compliances related to 27001, business requirement analysis and providing solutions. Solutions are more efficient when we use AI, and it increases productivity and efficiency of the employee, saves time, money also. It is a non-lobbying, non-profit organization working closely with government, industry, academia and students. We are basically providing 4 kinds of services to the industry. One is education services. It's not only related to legacy education, but also to corporate trainings, workshops, events, research conferences. IMA provides testing services like MAT, Management Aptitude Test, lot of national and international events along with different international bodies on the management teams, management development programs. We are into membership services across the globe. We have 63 local management associations and 2 abroad. Nowadays, everything is driven through technology. Earlier, it was a hybrid learning, or you can say a mixed mode of learning where classroom learning and online learning was there. Post-COVID, everything has gone online. We conducting all our learnings, training, workshops, corporate trainings, even national and international events and conferences through online mode. So testing services, as you know, students have to give an entrance exam across the globe throughout the year. It happens 4 times. So that became a restriction after this COVID. So we have moved all our exams to IBT mode with fully proctored mode. Automated proctored can remotely see the students and restrict them from doing the wrong activity. Membership services, we have already moved onto a online platform where members can access all their services by sitting at home or sitting at the office or anywhere. We use domain-specific ERP for different departments like education services, like membership services for finance, HR and admin, which has a lot of customization when we talked about the standard ERPs like SAP, Microsoft Navision or the other products which are available in the market. Being an association, our processes are very much customized. So that's why we have chosen to go with the domain-specific ERP. In terms of security, we are using different firewalls. We are using web application firewall. We are using AWS on cloud, different solutions using AI for the testing department, for conducting exams also. We have automated our complete HR, admin, PMS processes. The council election which happens in a physical mode. Then lockdown happens and the election needs to be happened now in June. So we have moved it on the complete online platform through NSDL. IMA has a cap on the numbers. We have a certain limit that we cannot increase our strength above that number. IT team which is structured in 3 categories. One is the support and services team, which provides end-to-end support to all the business functions for their hardware, software, or any other solutions they are looking for. Second is the team which takes care of all the ERP, software, web portals, and new solutions which are running. Third is the team which takes care of the project planning, business enhancement, business development, cost reductions, improving efficiency of the employee by planning the new technology implementation, new projects, evaluating different solutions. We have started a business unusual series which has been started from more than a month now. We are doing it with the industry leaders, we are doing it with the ministers also, and it's free of cost. We talk about the challenges, new ideas and the new normal which will be happen in the industry. Industry leaders from different domains like from healthcare, from pharma, from manufacturing has already come on the platform and share the new planning and how the economy will recover after that. Earlier everything was in a blended mode or in a hybrid mode where both the offline and online models were working. But now post-COVID, most of the companies are planning to work from home since the end of the year, focusing on the advanced learning, how we can achieve our business goals while working from home and using the best of the technology. We have 63 local management associations which works hand in hand with IMA. So we have implemented work from home models to the secured remote work access to all our employees who needs the work environment, who needs the work access to perform their daily duties and to achieve their targets and goals. We have implemented the secured VPN access for all those employees. It has been implemented at all the local chapters which are in different cities of India, and through that they are making sure that their work should not get hampered. We are using endpoint solutions from Sophos. We have provided the official devices. We have installed endpoint solutions where the complete activity will be monitored in terms of security, and it has complete ransomware protection, and it has a secured network. They cannot enter into a zone which is an unsecured zone or unsolicited zone, so that the security aspects can be taken care of.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.